today I'm going to make a Halloween wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need, and this wreath ring actually did not come from the dollar store. I just wanted to use it because I've had it for a while. You can definitely use a plain wreath ring and chenille stems, and I'll link the video of how to place the chenille stems in the description box below. So this wreath could be made for less than $10 at the dollar store. Alright, so the wreath ring, a really cute center, 2 rolls of black Deco Mesh, 2 rolls of purple, 1 row of white, and 1 roll of yellow. And then this mesh tube, which I've never used before, but it looked cute, so I may add that in at the end. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take a roll of the purple and a roll of the black, and I'm going to place them on top of each other just to make it a little thicker. And I'm going to start on the outer ring. Just pick a spot, and I'm going to scrunch this all together and place it down and twist it 2 times, just like that. And you'll have to be careful because this Deco Mesh definitely sticks to itself. Make a small poof. And then go around to the next chenille stem. And again, I'm going to go all the way around the outer ring, and then I'll come back around and do the same thing on the inner ring. So there you go. You have a nice little poof. Do once more. Make a nice poof. Set it right down and twist it a couple of times. There we go. So I'm going to do this all the way around the outer ring. Alright, so I've gone all the way around. Now I'm meeting back up to my starting point. So I just do the same thing. Make a poof. Unravel that. And place it. Now from here, you could cut it and just start over for the inner ring, or your other option is to just take the Deco Mesh and continue on into the inner ring. So you just make a poof, just like that. And you just keep going all the way around the inner ring. Okay, so this is how it looks with all the Deco Mesh in place. What I'm going to do is just separate the 2 layers so that it's a little bit fuller and you can see both colors. So you just separate them like that. Just going to separate all the way around. So you're going to take a roll of black and a roll of purple and cut them into 9-inch long pieces. Now we're going to add the rolls to the wreath. Okay, so now I'm going to make my bundles for the chenille stem. Roll black, just a normal roll. Same with the purple. And the white. Just rolling it a little tighter and squeezing it. And then for the yellow, I'm actually going to, I'm going to hold the diagonals, going to fold down in the center and come back up so that it looks like this. I'll show you again. I'm holding the diagonals, fold it down and back up, just like that. So then I'm going to take the rolled Deco Mesh and place it right on top. I think I'll add the white in as well, so that it looks just like this. And I'm just going to untwist the chenille stem and add it all in, just like that. And twist it back a couple of times. There we go. And you can adjust it. You can alternate which ones you roll and which ones you want to kind of flare. Alright, so I have the first bundle in place. Next, I'm going to try to alternate the yellow and the white and see how that looks. So I have the black rolled, the purple rolled, And this time I'm going to roll the yellow. And I'm going to keep the white nice and wide. So I'll take the diagonals, fold it down, and bring it to the center just like that. And then place it all together. Just like that. Unravel. And then add it. And twist it back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around. So next thing, you can spiral your chenille stems and keep them out if you'd like, but I'm just going to tuck mine. So just tuck the chenille stems all the way around. There you go, and then you just adjust it to make sure everything looks really nice. All your spaces are covered. You could definitely leave it like this because this looks really cute, but I have a centerpiece I want to add. So when I saw this really cute, adorable owl, I knew I had to have it. And I think it's just going to look adorable in the center. This, of course, is optional. This is what it looks like. It's like the owl is in its little nest. So I'm just going to hot glue a chenille stem to the back of the owl and twist the chenille stem to the wreath ring. There's no specific right or wrong way to add a centerpiece. It's just whichever way is easiest for you. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it over. Take 2 chenille stems. I'm going to twist them together just to make like one long chenille stem. Just like that. And I'm going to hot glue it down right across the top. And I'm leaving the excess on the side so that it can reach and I can twist it and tie it down to the actual wreath ring. Just like that. Then you're just going to move the Deco Mesh over and find the ring and twist the chenille stems down to the ring. Twist it around a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And last one. So this is how I'm twisting it down to the ring. And just adjust, adjust, adjust. Maneuver, maneuver, manipulate. Nice, pretty, cute, and not scary, but perfect for Halloween.